Vexpress, Custom JavaScript Documentation Library. Demo, Introduction and Overview. Welcome back guys. Today in this video, I am going to show you my custom JS docs. This is the custom JS docs as you can see. It looks exactly the same as the FastAPI docs option. I designed this for JavaScript and NPM so that it automatically generates documentation. You just need to go to /docs. Library architecture. Let me give you an overview of the library. I designed an Express wrapper here where you can insert the summary, responses, params, and body values. This ensures that whenever the API route is hit, these details are available as a description and as auto-filled values. This will save the user a lot of time so they don't have to manually execute it in Postman repeatedly. This is the overview. Custom router. I created a custom router that replaces the standard Express router. Express wrapper. This allows you to wrap your function, saving that particular function as a route for the custom doc. Custom Express app. I built a custom Express app because standard Express doesn't handle this logic. Proxy class. I handle get, post, and delete requests here. Anything else automatically goes to the Express app through the proxy class. Open API. There is a custom router for the Open API which renders an HTML page openapi.ejs to display your documentation. Implementation and code usage. I created a project to check how this library works. I imported the library from npm, which gives me three things: Vexpress, router, and the Express wrapper. As soon as I use the Express app, I use this application exactly the same way, just changing the name to Vexpress. However, at the top, I have to call app.setupdocs to generate the documentation. Everything else is user-friendly. I use the custom router instead of the Express router, and for the functions where I want to show a description, I use the Express wrapper. It is as simple as that. Live demonstration. Now, let's run it. Looking at the URL, you can see the API user has post and get requests. It is very similar to the FastAPI docs. Everything is working fine. When I navigate to /docs, the entire documentation is automatically set up. Creating a user. You can see user already exists, meaning my routes are working. The values are automatically filled, but I can change them. I executed it, and a new user was created. Descriptions. You can view the descriptions above the fields. For example, it tells you it takes a string value and shows what kind of response to expect. Update user. Let's look at the update user function. It is currently a null value. I will fill it in. I'll change the name to Alu, potato. I don't need to change the password, so I'll remove that and clean up the JSON syntax. Authentication. It says invalid access token because I need to log in first. I'll execute the login query now. You can see all the errors are handled and displayed correctly. Login success. I have logged in successfully. Now I can proceed to update the user. Current limitation. I encountered a server error regarding a SQL query, but that which I will fix. The only thing left to handle in the library is find other issues or want to contribute. The link is in the description. This library is helpful for everyone. I am currently working on a high-level project using this library, and if any issues arise during that process, I will update the library. Please help contribute. See you in the next video soon and future updates. Most